So I checked and the quality's good, the lighting is good, everything is good, my face is beat, you know. I got the purple brows on because it was cute. Also, my hands are really ashy. First of all, why was I talking so fast? Second of all, why was I trying to fit everything into that one sentence? Like, we don't need to know you're ashy. Nice and moisturized. So today I'm going to be, well, I didn't get it yet, but I'm just gonna be like giving you guys a little intro to like what I asked for in the igirl bundle. So basically it didn't come yet. It's supposed to come tomorrow. I ordered it yesterday. She shipped it out really fast. Like, you put that together really fast. Like, slow down. But I don't remember what I got word for word. And I can't read it off because obviously I'm filming on my phone, so I can't read it off. But like, I can give you the idea of what I asked for. So I remember asking for something unif-esque and like 90s-ish, you know what I mean? And then I told her that Nyemah and Loser Thrift are my inspos, fashion-wise. And I told her like nothing too feminine, you know? But I'm not opposed to like anything, you know? Like, I'm very open. I told her that. I was like, I'm open to anything. So I told her that. And then I told her I already had the igirl necklace, as you can see. And then I told her I have an array of grommet belts. I have black, white, and green. I'm wearing the green one right now. Probably can't even see it, but yes, I am. But yeah, I told her all that stuff, and I'm really excited about it. Like, I've been wanting an igirl bundle for the longest. Like, the idea of someone just like styling you and just like giving you all the accessories, shirts, pants. I really wanted to get the ones with the shoes, but she's not doing that anymore, so. And this is like her last igirl bundle, so I'm glad that I snagged it up before they sold out, and I'm really excited. I can't wait. I'll probably see you guys again tomorrow, or I feel like it's gonna come Monday because USPS be lying on their tracking and I don't trust it, but we'll see. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Probably will not have a beat face on because I'm just lazy, you know, and it's Saturday. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I don't know what that was. I like low-key look busted right now, but like I'm so excited because the igirl bundle came today, and like I'm so excited. I literally just got out of the shower and threw something on because I was so excited. Yeah! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And it has this in the back. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Then it has this. This is like, it says Angel Online. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. I don't even know if you can see it. It says Angel Online. Ooh, she gave me like these. I don't even know what fabric this is, but like material this is. I don't know why I'm saying fabric. But like, they're from the brand LEI. Oh, they're polyester. So these are from the brand LEI. Oh my gosh. She gave me these camo cargo pants. Okay. Okay. She didn't. Oh my gosh. She got me the like universal pant chain that you can like do anything. And it has like the little charms on it. There's a she double pendant, igirl pendant. she gave me this like belt. It's white. Okay. Oh wow. And she gave me, oh, this chain. Ooh, this is very heavy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I saw these. I literally saw these in her haul video. The thrift haul video. These sunnies. Oh my gosh, these deads. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And it matches my shirt right now. Okay. I'm too excited. And then this is the letter, so I'm gonna read it. Ooh, what's this? It's a choker. So cool. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Okay, I'm gonna read the letter. Hi love, I was beyond stoked to style this custom look for you. I just wanted to take this moment to tell you how I pulled together from head to toe. To accessorize, I included the igirl Charmed chain, a super chunky pant chain, some dead stock frames, a silver chain, and lastly a very rare, ooh, extra large tattoo choker. For your bod, I have two options. I included some cargo pants. You could rock with both pant chains, along with this amazing vintage Kid Rock tee. Okay. I noticed you love a good band tee in your Depop likes. I think a black grommet belt would look amazing with this outfit, which I already have, along with some combat boots. This look was inspired by your Unif-esque 90s request, and I thought it would look so cute on you. I couldn't decide on which theme to choose, so I also decided to include another look, which is so nice of her. These oversized vintage LEI pants, cinched in at the waist, with this Y2K AF white belt. Pairs perfectly with this iconic AOL inspired graphic tee. I think this look would be amazing paired with your favorite white sneakers. Thank you for trusting in my creativity, and I hope you enjoy the fit, because I'm 100% obsessed with it. Eternal love, Bella. I feel, wow. Okay, I'm gonna try on the looks and then